The AirPods 4 might just be around the corner. Let's watch what we expect from Apple's latest earbuds, from when they'll hit the shelves and how much they'll cost, to detailed insights on battery life, sound enhancements, and design features. When can we expect the AirPods 4? First things first, when are these new AirPods hitting the shelves? Well, insider sources like Mark Gurman from Bloomberg have hinted that Apple might start production around May this year. That lines up for a potential launch in September or October, just in time to make a splash alongside the iPhone 16. Remember, these dates aren't set in stone, but Apple does like to time things just right for that holiday buzz. How much will they cost? Moving on to the big question on everyone's mind: price. We're looking at some interesting chatter here. Past models have set a bit of a pattern, but with technology always advancing, prices can shift. Right now, experts think the AirPods 4 could land somewhere under $200. That's keeping it in line with the previous generations, making sure everyone can consider grabbing a pair without breaking the bank. What's new with the design? It sounds like Apple is planning to keep things sleek and simple with the AirPods 4, much like the earlier AirPods 3. However, we might see some tweaks to make them even more comfortable in your ears. 1. The AirPods 4 are rumored to appear in a design that blends elements from the AirPods 3 and the AirPods Pro 2. 2. Featuring shorter stems for a more compact look. 3. Expected to come in multiple colors. 4. These earbuds aim to enhance user comfort with ergonomically improved fits that could benefit long listening sessions. Advanced sound quality and features. 1. With each generation, Apple aims to raise the bar on sound quality. 2. The AirPods 4 are anticipated to include upgrades such as the H2 chip, which promises improved audio processing capabilities. 3. This includes personalized spatial audio, adapting the sound to the movement of your head and the shape of your ear for a truly immersive listening experience. 4. Additionally, the integration of enhanced noise cancellation in the premium model will cater to those seeking solitude in noisy environments. Battery performance and charging technology. Moving to USB-C aligns with the broader tech industry and recent EU regulations, providing faster charging and universal cable compatibility. The adoption of the H2 chip not only enhances sound, but is also expected to improve battery efficiency. Rumors suggest we might see a bump in listening time, potentially extending battery life to over 6 hours on a single charge, making the AirPods 4 perfect for extended use throughout the day. Furthermore, like the latest AirPods Pro, these are expected to support MagSafe and possibly Apple Watch chargers, offering multiple charging options. Specifications and connectivity. Beyond audio and battery enhancements, the AirPods 4 will likely come equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring more stable and swift connections across all your devices. Expect smoother automatic device switching, making these earbuds ideal for users who frequently toggle between different Apple devices. Additionally, new sensors might include capabilities to monitor health metrics, following the trend of integrating wellness technology into everyday wearables. What features are you most excited about in the upcoming AirPods 4? Are the new design and sound enhancements enough to make you consider an upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more detailed reviews and the latest tech updates.